Hi friends, in this video you will see most expected questions on order and degree of the differential equation. Order and degree of the differential equation, DE nothing but differential equations, right? So we know that definition of order and degree of the differential equations, right? You should be remember these two definitions. Once you remember these two definitions, then easy to find the order and degree of the differential equation. So especially in KPUC, right, KCET, every year at least one of the questions from this topic, at least one of this topic, either they will ask degree or order. So last year, so 2019, so question paper, this is the question paper, this is the question from previous year example, right? Before that we will see definition of order and degree. Order is nothing but the order of a differential equation is the order of the highest derivative is called order of the differential equation. Hello. So highest derivative ಯಾವುದು ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, in differential, any differential equation or any equation, highest derivative ಯಾವುದು ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು order of the differential equation. Then degree of the differential equation. The degree of the differential equation is the power of its highest derivative. ಅಲ್ಲಿ highest derivative ಯಾವುದು ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದರದ್ದು ಪವರ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. Power of its derivative is called degree of the differential equation, right? So this is the definition. These are the two definitions, order and degree of the differential equation. So you will see, so last year, so 2019 question is the order of the differential equation is, so you have one equation y equal to c1, right, c1 e raised to c2 plus x plus c3 into e raised to c4 plus x. So ಈ ಥರ equation ಆಯ್ತು. Nothing but this is solution. So solution equation ಕೊಟ್ಟ ನಾವು. So your option is so 3 1 4 2. So ಈ ಥರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ, right? ಇದು solution ಐತಿದು. So this is also one of the differential equation. See, in any differential equation at least one ಇರುತ್ತೆ order, at least one degree, right? Degree 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 0 ಅಂತ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಇರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, right? At least 1 or non-zero, nothing but non-zero degree ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ, non-zero degree as well as non-zero order ಇರ್ತೈತೆ ಅದು, right? Here, so if you look at this equation, so you have to follow these two definition. So if you go to find the order of the differential equation is order of the highest derivative. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಆದ್ರೂ this y derivative is 1 ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. So that's why we are saying that order of the differential equation is 1. So option is B. So you have to follow definition, that's it, right? So most of the time like these questions at least one adra irthaitide, at least one or the question, only one or the questions irathaitide, right? So you will see one more example, like I will write here one more example. So just I am taking common example, right? The order and degree of the differential equation. Find the order and degree of the differential equation. Now I will write the differential equation here. So dy by dx or d square y by dx square plus dy by dx, I am taking whole square plus y plus x equal to 0. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು equation ತೊಗೊಂಡು ನಾನು now I'll give options here, right? So 1, because you have to find both order and degree. So 1 and 2, so order is 1, degree is 2, then B. So order is 2, degree is 1, then C, 2 and 2, and D, 1 and 1. So either option ಕೊಟ್ಟಿನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, right? Now find the order and degree. Now go for definition. The order saying that, order definition is saying that the highest in the any differential equation, highest derivative. So the highest derivative ಯಾವ್ದೈತಿ? So first highest derivative is 2, right? Highest derivative is 2. So then 2. Then what about degree? Degree definition saying that power of its highest derivative. Highest derivative power is ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So the power is 1. So that's why option is B. So 2 and 1. So order is 2 and degree is 1. So ಈ ಥರ ನೀವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್. ಇವೆರಡು ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ನೆನಪಿತ್ತಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಇರ್ತೈತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ರೈಟ್? So like this we need to find the order and degree of the differential equation.